So, to continue further, Portuguese sardines, you said about preparation and steaming and then keeping on low flame, and then how these Portuguese sardines are served and with what they go well.
Okay, these Portuguese sardines are served with fish curry rice. Now, the preparation could also be mashed and you mix it with raw onion, and it could be served with inside, stuffed inside forminias. Forminias are the baskets, or it could be stuffed inside stuffed cones, which are called as canudos in Portuguese. Okay, so this could be used as a party snack, that is canudos or forminias. Okay, but Portuguese sardines go well with fish curry rice.
Now the question is, why intact Portuguese sardines we use? Suppose we remove the central vertebra or the bone and only use the flesh and make Portuguese sardine, will it turn pulpy?
No, I feel the bone should also be kept inside because it is rich in calcium. It becomes very soft when you.
So we
pressure
can
cook it.
we can chew and eat the bones
yes.
also.
In fact, you have to chew the bones.
So what are the nutritional benefits of Portuguese sardines? Could you explain further?
Now sardines are rich in omega-3. Okay. Then you have tomatoes, which are.
What is the importance of omega-3 fatty acids?
Omega-3 fatty acids are very important for our heart health.
And omega-6
Not
are
only
bad.
for heart health, for your mental health.
Omega-6 are bad for health.
No, but we need omega-6, but to a percentage is required. But as far as mental health is concerned, omega-3 fatty acids are very, very important.
To prevent Alzheimer's and
Exactly,
Parkinsonian and all those, and senility.
Exactly, for your mental health. Then you have tomatoes, which are rich in lycopene, and you have vitamin C. Okay.
So when somebody says someone that you have become senile, it indicates that that person is deficient in omega-3 fatty acids.
Yes. Okay, and then you have pepper powder, which has bactericidal or germicidal properties. Okay, coconut oil, which is very good for your health. It is rich in garlic. The preparation contains garlic,
Sulfur.
which reduces your cholesterol also.
So overall means Portuguese sardine is a complete food, easy to cook recipe and
Yes.
very tasty also, and
Yes.
depending on the use of black pepper powder and chilies and tomatoes and ketchup also, you can vary the taste and all that.
Exactly.
If Portuguese sardines are so easy to prepare and popular, why you feel that our hospitality industry, our 3 and 5 star hotels and the so-called specialty and fine dining restaurants have not paid any attention to this important dish?
The reason being, it is you will not find it in any restaurant, because I feel people do not know much about this dish. There are very few families in Goa which make this dish. If you go to the new conquest areas, you will not find the Catholic community preparing this dish. Then again, if you come to the old conquest areas, yes, there are only a few communities amongst the Catholics that prepare this dish. You understand? So that